What is constructor chaining and why it is needed? Constructor chaining is the process of calling one constructor from another constructor. We can do constructor chaining in two different ways. If we want to call another constructor of the same class, we can use this keyword for the constructor chaining, and if we want to call the constructor from the parent class, we can use the super keyword. Let's understand both the cases by different example. So here we have a class test, okay, and this is the first constructor, which is a default constructor. There is another constructor which takes two parameters, and the third constructor takes single parameter. This is the main method where we are creating the object and we are calling the default constructor, that is without any parameter. When the control reaches to the default constructor, it internally calls the constructor with single parameter, as it is passing only one parameter to this keyword. So since we are calling the constructor of the same class, we are using this over here. So now after executing this statement, the control will go to constructor 3, which contains only one parameter, and inside it again it is calling another constructor with two parameters, which is the constructor number 2. So the flow will be, when we are calling the default constructor will internally call the constructor number 3. Constructor number 3 will internally call constructor number 2, which has two parameters, and then the first print statement will be executed, which is this one, the two parameters one. Then the control reaches back to this constructor, which is constructor number 3. Similarly, the control reaches to the default constructor after execution of this statement is done. You can see the output as below. Now let us understand how to do constructor chaining with super keyword. So this is the base class. We have another derived class which is extending the base class. When we are creating the object of the derived class, internally it is calling this super keyword. Note, even if we do not mention this super keyword explicitly, compiler by default add this statement as the first statement of the subclass constructor. I hope this much is clear. Now let us understand what is the need of it. So when we want to pass parameters to different constructors but using a single object, so here constructor chaining comes into the picture. So if we see here, we called only one constructor, but internally all the three constructor gets executed. So this is the case where constructor chaining comes into the picture, and it is very useful. So using constructor chaining, we can perform multiple tasks through a single constructor instead of writing each task for every constructor. I hope this much is clear. If you found this helpful, do subscribe to the channel. Article link is in the description box below. Thank you.